No one cares about your excuses. No one cares about your pain, your past, or your problems. The world only respects results. You say you're tired? Everyone's tired. You say life's unfair? It's unfair for everyone. But only a few people still stand up, fight back, and keep going, no matter what. Those are the ones who win. Because success doesn't come from talking. It comes from showing up every single day, even when no one is watching. Even when no one believes in you. You have two choices. Sit there and complain, or get up and make yourself proud. People might laugh at you. They might doubt you. They might ignore your efforts. But one day, the same people will ask you how you did it, and your answer will be simple. I worked harder when no one was watching. When you're alone, that's the real test. When you have no motivation, no energy, and no support, that's the moment your future is being built. Pain is temporary, but quitting lasts forever. Remember, nobody's coming to save you. You have to save yourself. You have to push yourself when no one else will. You have to be your own motivation. Do you think successful people had it easy? No. They failed, they cried, they doubted themselves. But they didn't stop. Because deep down they knew something. The world rewards the ones who refuse to quit. When you feel like giving up, tell yourself this. I don't need anyone's approval. I don't need anyone's support. I just need to keep going. Every rep in the gym, every late night study session, every early morning wake up. It's all adding up. You won't see the results right away. But one day, everything you dreamed of will be yours. Because you didn't stop when it was hard. So stop explaining your situation to people who don't care. Stop waiting for motivation. Stop waiting for someone to believe in you. Believe in yourself. Work harder. Be unstoppable. Because when you finally succeed, you'll realize one thing. No one cared when you started. But everyone will care when you win. So remember, no one cares about your excuses. They only care about your results. Work hard. Stay quiet. Prove them wrong. Your pain is your power. Every struggle you're facing right now is shaping the person you're meant to become. When things get hard, that's not the signal to quit. That's the sign you're growing. Think about it. Diamonds are made under pressure. A seed grows in the dark before it sees the sun. You're just in that dark phase right now, but your light is coming. You have two voices inside you. One says, take a break, it's too hard. The other says, keep going, you're almost there. The one you listen to will decide your future. Nobody becomes great overnight. Legends are built through years of invisible effort. People don't clap for you when you're grinding. They clap when you win. So don't chase validation. Chase progress. Every small win, every single step forward, that's a victory. You might fail 10 times. That's fine, because failure is just proof that you're trying. Every time you fall, you're one step closer to success. And when it gets really tough, when your mind says enough, that's when you must go one more round. Because success doesn't come to the strongest or the smartest. It comes to the one who never gives up. So keep your head down, work in silence, and let your results make the noise. Be the person who keeps going when everyone else stops. Be the person who doesn't need recognition to stay focused. Your time is coming. Just stay consistent, stay patient, and keep grinding. Because at the end of the day, no one cares about your excuses. They only care about your results. Work hard, stay quiet. Prove them wrong. And remember, the world respects action, not talk.